Hello everyone, our first video is about the practical one, which is demonstration of osmosis. By definition, osmosis is the movement of water molecules through a semi-permeable membrane from a region of higher concentration to a region of low concentration, tending to equalize the concentration on both sides. Osmosis is a passive transport, meaning it does not require energy to be applied. Let us understand it with a very simple experiment. We need 3 potatoes, 1 boiled one and 2 raw potatoes, knife, salt and water. Peel all the 3 potatoes. Now make a cavity in middle of all the 3 potatoes and keep them in a tray. Put some salt in 1 raw potato and 1 boiled potato and keep the third raw potato empty. Pour water in the tray and wait for 30 minutes. You see that the salt in the boiled potato remained as it is, while the salt in the raw potato is wet and some has dissolved. This is because the salt in the raw potato drains out water from the cells lining the cavity due to osmosis. These cells in turn draw out water from the adjoining cells, and this cycle continues till the outermost cells. The cells at the outermost layer absorb water from the water in the tray. So now the importance of solute can be understood if you see the potato which has no salt, hence water does not get collected in the cavity. There is no collection of water in the boiled potato, which is because of death of the cells due to the boiling. So cells need to be alive for osmosis to take place. This is what exactly happens in the roots. Plants keep higher solute concentration in the cells in the stem, which is used to initiate pressure in the root hair cells, which absorb water from the soils. I hope this simple experiment would help you to understand the process of osmosis. Thank you.